What it do, nation? And we back up in here with another one, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sir. RT Durango just went through there. But yeah, man, we back up in here with another one, man. What we about to do, man? Man, this battery low too? What I do? I don't know what's up with these batteries, man. But anyway, man, today, man, we finna hop in Big Berri, man. I'm Big Berri, man. Baby said, man, Big Berri ain't been getting no attention. Ain't nobody been driving her, none of that. So we about to hop in that junk, man. We gotta go put some gas in, cause ain't no gas in that junk. And yeah, man, we're finna shoot down to the shop, man. Just finna ride around, bust a few corners, man. Get some things checked out on it, or whatever, tires and all that type of stuff. Get them checked out, and yeah, little stuff like that. Might stop by the parts though, man, and get some spark plugs for it, man. Cause we ain't did a tune-up on it since she had it, so put some spark plugs on it, and man, get the spark plugs for it. Of course, y'all know the video gonna be we're gonna have a video of that, man, when we do that. But before we do anything, man, y'all go ahead, man, consider subscribing, man. Comment, like, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell, man. All that right there. Yes, sir. And y'all see, as usual, man, I got it on, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, y'all hit the website as well, man. BelowNation.spring dash. No. I'm getting ahead of myself. BelowNation.creator-spring.com. Yeah. BelowNation.creator-spring.com, man. Y'all go ahead, man. Grab y'all the look, man. Finna try to start adding some more stuff on there, man. Some more colors and all that good stuff, man. You know. And I got some other stuff in the works too, man. So y'all be on the lookout for that. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get myself together so we can hop on in this Jeep, man. And yeah, get to this gas station, man. Before we run out. We don't wanna run out. Hey man, I'm outside. We in the Jeep, man. Man, this thing here so clean, man. Hey, bro. Damn. Hey, that thing, that's nice, boy. You don't mind if I record, dude? Okay. What's going on, man? Huh?
We get the top.
She, when she got it, it had it on her.
Damn.
Yeah.
I like your clean, man. That's great, man.
That's about your same color.
Yeah, that's why I said
Yeah.
it. How would it went by?
Man, that thing here clean, man. So Grand City, what's that? That's a club or something?
About 7 of my partners, we all got Jeeps. Grind City, man, look us up, man. Come join us, man.
Okay.
Ain't nothing
I'ma show.
man. Grind City Jeeps, man. My name's Sean, by the way.
Okay, I'm Below, man.
Oh yeah, man. We got Jeeps. A couple of my partners. One got a green. Another one got an ocean blue. They got a young lady got a silver one. Another partner, man, he had a Gladiator. Took that motherfucker back last week and bought him. I ain't even seen it yet. He said he got the convertible, the electric convertible.
Okay, on the Jeep, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't even know how that motherfucker look yet. So then I got another dude, got a black one. A couple of us, we just like to hang out and kick it, go eat, drink, bust some beer, talk some shit, shoot some photos and shit like that, dude.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got I'm Below Nation on YouTube, man. So
okay.
But I be, you know what I'm saying? I be doing that. I got I wanna go. I think I'm thinking about getting me a Gladiator. But
man, I just went and looked at one today.
For real?
Yeah, because I might end up giving this to my daughter and give me a Gladiator, but I want my Gladiator the same color this though.
Right. Ah, yeah, that color hard.
Yeah,
I ain't lying.
Color this.
Okay. Yeah, man. That's look me up, man. It'll be on there. It'll be on Below Nation. BEELO Nation.
Okay. Below Nation. I'm gonna look it up. Yeah, y'all.
Yeah, this is here on my head right here.
Okay. I tell you what, let me turn my lights on, my orange lights on.
Uh-oh. See, I'm about to start building hers now.
Man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, hey, I'm telling you, man, you'll spend money on these motherfuckers, man.
I already know. I already been spending money on it.
It ain't so bad about it, man. You see my truck next month, The whole roof gonna be glass.
For real?
I'm gonna put a panoramic roof. All that's gonna be all glass.
I want to see it.
And the place is gonna do my roof. Gonna have my rock lights all up under the bottom. Gonna be orange and everything.
See, we gotta come up with a color scheme for her so we can do her. Know what I'm saying? What rock light?
Color scheme.
Right.
Man, just start flowing with it. Start flowing.
For sure. Yeah, it's her clean. Man, see the Jeep, man. Got these, John. Got the fifth wheel on this junk. I'm gonna get his tag. Yes, sir. Yeah, I hit him up, man. Grind City Jeeps. I'm gonna put some gas in the thing, man. This thing clean though, I ain't lying. There's lift on there. What's up? Yeah, man. Y'all seen that Jeep, man? That boy Jeep was hard. God damn. Hey, man, that boy was hard, man. I ain't even lying. That was hard. I ain't even never seen that Jeep in the city. Like, I ain't never seen that Jeep. So, most definitely when I show that junk to Ashley, man, she gonna be like, oh my God. Like, that boy tough, man. I wonder where he went, man. I tried to get a picture, man, but I was trying to pump gas and be focused and all that right there, man, so I ain't getting no picture of it. I'd have to take the picture off this, off the video. Unless I see him on the way to where I'm going, and then I'll give me a picture. Another Jeep. Man, them Jeeps out today, man. I've been seeing Jeeps all day though, for real. Like, I was standing out in the driveway and I was seeing them. So, yeah, that's junk. They out in these Jeeps. But yeah, man, let me get on to where I'm going. I'll shoot downtown to the shop, man. And oh shit, I'll pick this camera back up, man, once I finish doing what I'm doing. So, what we got here? A traffic jam. Yes, sir. Man, we back. Same video, different day. I gotta run down to Memphis Mike's shop, man. Put some air in these tires because the last tire shop that I went to, they put I had to get a tire pressure sensor replaced. For her to be so tall, she be having this
1071 True
seat up far as I'm on. But y'all can't see me though. Hold on, let me see. I can wait. Yeah, y'all can see me. Hold on, wait, dang it. Yeah, y'all can see me now. So they put they changed the tire pressure sensors. Oh yeah, and I do get it on. But they only put 30 pounds of pressure in the tires. These are 80-pound tires. So yeah, that's crazy to me. But yeah, man, let me shoot on down here, and I pick the camera back up, man, when I get down here, man. See what old Memphis Mike got going on, man. Yeah. Well, so we back, man. I put all of the tires were low. They was like 40s and shit. You know what I'm saying? So it's an 80-pound tire. So I put like 70 something in it, and the tire gauge still on. So I don't know if you have to have exactly 80 pounds of pressure in every tire or what, but like I ain't want to blow the damn tire up, so I don't know, but it's still on. I'll do it one day. Check to see, you know what I'm saying, if I can get it up to 80. If I can get it up to 80 pounds and see what it do. But for the most part, the tires are aired up, man. I think it's over 75 pounds of pressure on it, so this should be good. Just that the tire pressure light is annoying. It's just annoying. I think that's it more than anything. It's just annoying. Oh, yeah. But yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and close this thing out, man. Close this joint out. So, man, it's your boy B-Lo Nation, man. Out here dealing with Big Berri, man. Angry Berri. We up out here, man. Ooh, I'm gonna drop my camera.